Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on two-step verification on TikTok. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to TikTok, and after that click on your profile on the bottom right of the screen, bottom right. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and click on Security and Permissions. And as you can see, there is an option, two-step verification. Click on it. And here you have to choose what options you want to use for the two-step verification, your phone number, email, authenticator app if you want to use it, and password. And after that, you have to click on turn on, and like that, you will turn on two-step verification on TikTok. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.